Hello everybody, and quickly virtual machine then is here, as you can see, and have two Windows virtual machine. Windows 10, Windows Server 2016 is the same virtual machine than I'm using for other labs. So I'm using a virtual Cisco phone, well, virtual VoIP phone, because this is from soft phone. So I set everything here. As you can see, I have my telephone has been registered, and I'm going to call my telephone. So I'm going to call number 102. This is the phone. As you can see, it's working. Basically, you can answer, but the problem is obviously there is echo. You see? I don't know if you can hear it. Hello? 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 Well, of course. It cannot work. Let me see. Hello? Okay, I finished the game here. And the call. So, the next step, I'm going to set up GNS3, as you saw, or probably you see already, or you can see if you want from my LinkedIn profile. And anyway, I will show you here. Let me see. Where is my post? Somewhere. Post. My post here. There's slowly, because I have internet. My internet isn't the most fantastic things. Is this one? This will be my project for today. Then I'm going to set up my call manager in APCA headquarter with router and other two call manager in the remote site. And that's all. I'm going to set up the virtual machine. Then I'm going to connect the three, basically the other two call manager with VPN, and basically I'm going to call each site. So unfortunately I cannot try for the real internet calling, because unfortunately the free SIP trunk I found is from US, and I will be able to call only the US number, and then I cannot call. I don't know any US number for testing. So, but I'm quite happy if it's working everything fine like this. So for today, for now is everything, and I will upload the video later on this afternoon. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.